workplace, you are expected to keep your emotions in check. Once you show your emotions, sometimes it's a sign of weakness. And that's one of the discriminations that I think any woman is experiencing in the workplace right now. I'm very thankful for everyone who has fought for feminism and who has worked so hard to give us women's rights. We won't be here without everyone who sacrificed from the past. I think communication is the key for creating a more inclusive world between males and females. We have to listen to each other and respect each other's opinion. I hope the young women of today will always challenge themselves to break barriers and to do things that have never been done before. My wish for the future is for women to never take no for an answer.